Hello everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. After a 11 below zero Fahrenheit start this morning, it's up to a balmy 14 right now, and I'm just about to cook some lunch. So today what I'm going to make, I call it a Hamburger Concoction. I don't know, I've been making this forever. You guys have seen me do it in videos on Northern Seclusion. In fact, I think I cooked pretty much this meal out on the wood stove in the workshop, and somebody had commented that they wanted me to do a video showing how to do it, and I guess I never have really done a how-to. It's super simple to do. All I'm going to use is some potatoes, some hamburger, or as Melissa calls it, ground meat, beef, and a couple of onions. You can add green peppers in here if you want, whatever. I know that when I've made this before, I think people have said that their family called it hash or whatever, and there were comments before when I did it where I should have put like some kind of a tomato-based something in there, and it's like, no. I don't... When Melissa makes a meal and it has some kind of a tomatoey thing in there, she can make it really good, but for me, I usually stay away from them. This is super simple to do, and that's what I like, simple. So I had, what here, 6 potatoes, I think. These are smaller potatoes. This is a good way to use up small potatoes that you can't really use for baking. When I do this, I cut up the potatoes pretty small because everything is going to just be mingled together. Let's put a little bit of olive oil in your pan. When I'm doing this time I'm going to use 2 pounds of hamburger. You can make a smaller batch if you want, it doesn't matter. If you guys watch Melissa and I cook, we like to cook once and eat it for several days. So that's generally how we do everything. I took this stuff out to thaw out this morning, and then it was hardly thawed out at all. So then I just threw them both in the microwave for 2 minutes. So the middle part here is still a little frozen. I just have this browning on high right now. We'll turn this down in a little while. Well, I would say that ground beef is about halfway cooked right now, so now I want to add my onions and my potatoes in here. Now I just need to mix it together. And now you can just add your seasoning. I'm going to add some seasoning salt here. Some oregano. If Melissa was going to eat this, I would have added garlic powder and onion powder. But she's staying strictly keto right now, so the potatoes she can't have. If you want it to taste Italian, put Italian seasoning on there. It doesn't matter. This is a concoction. It's whatever you want it to be. And then we just want to cover it up. I've turned it down to 5 out of 10, so medium. Since this was hamburger that was put into the freezer in like a Ziploc bag, I couldn't tell if it was lean or regular ground. And this was lean. If it would have been regular ground and it would have been a real lot of fat, I would have wanted to dump some of it out. But you want to leave some in there so that there's some moisture for those potatoes to cook. Now I'm just going to go ahead and let that cook for 10 minutes or so. I'll pull the foil and we'll mix it up. Probably go another 10 minutes and it'll be finished. As soon as the potatoes are soft, it's done. Potatoes are starting to get soft now, so I'm going to pull the cover off and turn the heat up a little bit. Up to medium-high. And then we'll go ahead and just start getting it all browned. You can hear it start to crackle. It's just about there. I heated up some canned corn here for a vegetable. Some people actually said they'll like mix the corn in with this. It's like, no. If I had my way, there'd be dividers in the plate, so nothing would really touch. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. That's how I make my hamburger concoction. I will see you guys on the next video.